Hi guys, I'm going to show you this Agfa Silette 1 color Agnar lens 45 f2.8. Alright, so we're going to take it out from the casing. This is the front, one side, the other side, the top and the bottom, and this is the back. We're gonna open the latch behind. What's this? I'm not sure what it means. How do I open? Okay. Settings for the shutter. Like 120 bulb mode. So let's try bulb mode first. Okay, bulb mode works. Again. Okay. Bulb mode works. Let's do 30 shutter. Okay, 30 shutter works. 60 shutter. Okay, 60 shutter works. 125 shutter speed. Okay, 125 works as well. Now let me see if I can change the aperture. Okay, so this is the aperture. Gonna do bulb mode and then change and see what happens. Okay, let's do bulb mode. Bulb mode. Okay. So change the aperture is square, quite interesting. But okay, alright. So this camera works. If you want to buy this, you can let me know. I can sell it to you. And if you find this really helpful or interesting, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.